Hello everyone, I'm Vigneshwari. Today we are going to see the topic strings and its operations. String. String is defined as the sequence of characters. It is represented using quotation marks. We can use either single quotes or double quotes. Next main thing was string is immutable. Immutable means we can't be able to change the value after it is created. That is immutable. So we can't be able to change any value after the creation of the string. At the same time, we can't be able to update or delete the element from the string. An individual character in a string is accessed using an index. So it should be an integer value. It can be either positive or negative. In this, index starts from zeroth value. Operations on strings: indexing, slicing, concatenation, repetitions, membership. Indexing. Indexing is used to access the element by using the position. Slicing. Slicing is used to extract the substring from a string. Next, concatenation. It is used to adding the character of two strings. Repetitions. It is used to display the multiple copies of the same string. Memberships. It tells whether the character is present on the string or not. Indexing. I already told that indexing is used to access the element by using the position. Index should always be an integer, either positive or negative. Positive indexing helps in accessing the string from the beginning. Negative indexing helps in accessing the string from the end. Here the example for indexing. First, I created one string a equal to hello. Next, print a of 0. Zeros, it represents the indexing position. So we get the output h. So in this 0 represents the value h. Next time again I created another string a equal to good morning. So in indexing, space is also calculated. So next, print a of 4. So fourth position represented the space. So we get that output. Next, again I created another string a equal to high. In this time, I use the negative indexing. Print of a of -1. So -1 is accessing the string from the end. So we can get the result. Slicing. A part of a string is called string slices. The process of extracting a substring from a string is called slicing. For example, S equal good morning. Print of S of 2 colon. In this, S represent the string name, 2 represent the starting value, colon represent the slicing. So starting value is 2. So it displays the output from the position 2. In this example, it does not have the ending value. So it displays up to the end of the string. For example, A equal to hello. Next, print of A of 0. 0 is the starting value. Next, 2. Default stop value is n minus 1. So it prints from the position 0 to 1. Another example here. I did not going to mention any start value or stop value. So it prints the entire list. Next, another example here. I did not going to mention the stop value. So it will take the default value, end value n minus 1. Next, another example. In this, I did not going to mention the start value. So it will take the default start value 0. Concatenation. It is used to adding the character of two strings. For example, A equal to good, B equal to burning. Both the strings are enclosed within double quotation marks. Next, print of A plus B. Here the plus operator is used to concatenate the two strings. So the output was merged. Repetitions. It is used to display the multiple copies of the same string. For example, A equal to Python. Next, print of 3 into A. So we get the output 3 times of the same string. Membership operator. It is used to check a particular character is present in the string or not. If element is present, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. In, not in represent the membership operator. In means present, not in means does not present. For example, M in S. The character M is present in the string, so it returns true. Next, A not in S. I already told not in means does not present. So A does not present in the string. It returns true. Immutability. I already told that string is immutable. Immutable means we can't able to change the value after it is created. That is immutable. We can't able to assign or delete the element after it is created. For example, in this I'm going to assign the new element for the string. I received the type error because we cannot update the string after they are created. Another example, I am going to delete the element from the above string. So again I receive the type error because we cannot delete the string after they are created. String built-in functions and methods. A method is a function that belongs to an object. Syntax to access the method: string name dot method of. For example, A equal to happy birthday. Here A is the string name. For example, I created the string A equal happy birthday. Here A is the string name. Next we are going to see the methods of the strings. So A dot capitalize of. A is the string name. Capitalize of is the method, one of the method name. Capitalize of helps to capitalize only the first letter in a string. Another method, A dot upper of. It helps to change string to uppercase, so all the letters in the string becomes the uppercase. Next method, A dot lower of. It helps to change string to lower case, so all the letters in the string becomes the lower case. Next method, A dot title of. It helps to change string to title case, that is first character of all the words are capitalized. The first character of the word happy is H. It becomes capitalized. A dot swap case of. Swap case. Swap means swapping. It helps to change lowercase characters to uppercase and uppercase characters to lower case. So we can get this output: uppercase letters turned into lowercase and the lowercase letters turned into uppercase. Next method, A dot split off. It returns a list of words separated by space. So we can get the output as a list of words. A dot center of 19. In this 19 is the width. Next asterisk is the filter. It helps to pad the string with the specified filter till the length is equal to width. So, totally 19 characters in this output. Next, A dot count of happy. This method returns the number of occurrence of substring. Next, A dot replace. It replaces all old substring with new substring. Next method, A dot join of B. It returns a string concatenated with the element of an iterable. Next method is A dot is upper of hx, whether all the case-based characters of the string are uppercase. In the given string, all the characters are lowercase, so it returns the output false. Next method, A dot is lower of. It checks whether all the case-based characters of the string are lowercase. In the given string, all the characters are in the lowercase, so it returns the output true. Next, A dot is alpha of. It checks whether the string consists of alphabetic characters only. So we can get the output true. Thank you.